Did you know that words like cures, treats, or guarantees on your supplement label could get your merchant account denied? Many nutraceutical brands only find out after their account is rejected. Here is a quick way to check your marketing. Copy your product label or description, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to highlight any medical claims that could trigger processor or FDA issues. This helps you spot risky language before submitting your merchant account application. Keep in mind, this is just a preliminary check. It doesn't replace professional underwriting or compliance review. Payment processors scrutinize supplement marketing closely. Even well-intentioned claims can result in declines or account shutdowns. EasyPay Direct's underwriting specialists review your products and marketing for compliance with FDA, FTC, and processor standards. That means your labels and claims are less likely to trigger denials and your merchant account stays stable. One thing the FAQ explains: a nutraceutical merchant account is designed for supplement and health product businesses, helping them process payments securely while staying compliant with industry rules. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can have your labels and marketing reviewed by compliance experts before you submit your application. Protect your account before it's too late. With this simple check and EasyPay Direct's underwriting support, you can process payments confidently and focus on growing your supplement business. The sign up link is right there in the description when you are ready.